How you doing? I'm Bud Deitz, the owner of HJ Deitz Incorporated. We just finished up in Applebee's with the NewBrick system. Talking to my guys, everything seemed to run fine. I found it very easily to use the NewBrick compared to the thin brick. The architect, owner, everybody seemed to love it. Can't wait till we do our next job.
Hi, I'm Brian Edwards. I work for HJ Deitz. I'm an applicator installer. I work on the Applebees, and I just want to emphasize on the product how easy it is to apply. Setup, cleanup, everything was a breeze, and it was very enjoyable using the product, learning and installing. So I just wanted to, let everyone know I can't wait to do the next job.
My name's Phil Neff. I'm with Manning Materials. We're the distributor of Dryvit. My role was to speak to the architect, make sure that they got all their concerns answered. They were a little, a little hesitant at first, but they came along. They agreed to do it, and then I guess the bottom line is, once the project was completed, I met them out on site, and they were completely happy with it, and it went a lot better than what they thought it was going to, and it actually looked better than what they thought it was going to look like.
Hi, I'm Eric Hammaker. I'm the field service manager for the Mid-Atlantic region. Had a great experience working with the NewBrick and working with the HJ Deitz organization. Application went, I thought, exceptionally well. They were real willing to learn, understand, and take in what I was able to teach them on layout and then the actual application. The newer corners worked out perfect for us, and layout was great, and the architect and everybody else thought it turned out great. So, thank you.